Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Lighthouse CI for automated performance checks step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have Node.js and npm installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Create a new directory for your Lighthouse CI project. Navigate into that directory using the command line. Initialize a new Node.js project with the command npm init. Install Lighthouse CI as a development dependency using npm install savedev/CLI. Create a configuration file for Lighthouse CI by running npxli wizard. This command will guide you through setting up the configuration. Choose the options that fit your project needs, such as the base URL to test. After completing the wizard, check the lighthouse.js file that was created in your project folder. Open this file in your preferred code editor. You can customize properties like ci.collect for what metrics to track. Define the report settings under ci.upload. Set the target server where reports will be uploaded. If you are using a CI tool, make sure to configure it to run Lighthouse CI during the build process. Add a script in your package.json for easy command line testing. Include a command like lci-collect and lci-assert. Now, run your Lighthouse CI setup by executing the newly created script in the terminal. Review the results and ensure that your performance benchmarks are appropriately set. Make adjustments to your configuration as needed based on the initial results. Integrate Lighthouse CI into your continuous integration pipeline for ongoing performance checks. Regularly monitor the performance reports generated after each build. This will ensure your website maintains optimal performance over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.